Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kawanda Collectibles. Um, I'm going to do an unboxing. The box over here to my right. It's kind of heavy. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of it for you. Because I don't want to lift the box up. But I'll be glad to take the picture. So we can see. This is where it's from. My throat is so scratchy. That's where the package is from. And you can see the package not open yet. So what we're gonna do is get ready to open it. I've been wanting to open this box for the longest. I had it, I don't know, probably 2 months now, probably. I think, I'm not sure. I think. I'm glad that the weekend is here. I don't know, I always like it when the weekend comes because they give me a chance to rest some. Taking the paper out because this week my feet been hurting, and the bottom of my feet been hurting. This is what's in it. Let you see. Very heavy here. I think that's it. It's got something big on top of it. Got a knot in it, but don't worry about that because we're gonna rip this bag. Gonna rip this bag open. That's what we gonna do. Rip the bag, y'all. Rip the bag. That's what we're gonna do here. I don't know when I will be doing like a sale on any of this stuff yet. And everybody's invoices will go out tomorrow morning. Yeah, it should go out tomorrow morning. I'm not sure how early they go out. I guess based on the time when you all send in your payment, I can tell from there the earliest that the invoices went out, because I'm not sure what time they go out. This is Sugar Fix. Look like all the earrings are here. They're cute. You all know I love my birds. I'll be glad when I get my patio straight with some patio furniture, because I think, how you open this thing? Oh, okay, right here. I think this summer I'm going to sit out sometimes on the patio and just listen to the birds for a while. You know, 'cause I think they come out early, so these earrings are cute. These are really cute. Cutesy. Cutesy, cutesy. How much were they? Wow, 30 bucks. 30 bucks. 30 bucks. Earrings are cute. Nothing's missing on them either. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't know where I'm gonna put everything. My foot has been hurting this week. I don't know what's going on with it. And it hurt under the bottom. And my, what do you call it? And the back of my heel hurt. I don't know what's going on. Your birthday come around and then you turn an age, another age, and I don't know. This said believe by brilliance. It says faith. Where there is faith, miracles happen. Stainless steel bangle, 14 karat gold, flash plated, genuine crystal. That's cute. Oh, excuse me. No price on it. Let me see this thing. It's a pretty bracelet, and I like the cross. I love crosses. I love crosses. Look at the faith one. And this one is at, let's see. One's at a Walmart brand. I'll look for it later. All I'm doing tonight is just showing stuff. Because I've been wanting to open this package. Y'all like my fan. Temu, y'all. Temu item. There you go. You hear it? I think this low. Medium. And high. And it feels so good. Oh, wait. It feels so good. Then we have Snap Watchitude. I don't know what that means. It's new. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, so it's one of those snap ones. You do like troop on your arm. This is nice. It's in very good condition. It's new. That's why I don't like opening stuff because, and then it's neat. It has the name on its side of the watch right there. Because sometimes you can't get stuff back in the way it was. It's a new watch here. I don't see the little thing that they usually have on them to have it not ticking. It's usually a little white plastic hard piece that be on it. I know they don't have this thing on. Let me see something. This is not that one, but look how much Watchitude Slap Watch Big Art. Look how much somebody. You gotta be lying. Look at that. What? It's not that one though, but come on. I can't see it that much. I don't know. I can't see the watches being that much. You have a lot of them. It's called Watchitude. I can't. I have to research that. I don't know when, but It needs to be researched. Look at the hearts. Cutesy. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, it says Nana. Oh. My mama grands called her Nana. I used to call her Nana. A garden of love grows in a Nana's heart. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I miss my mom, yeah. Isn't that pretty? And we usually can't hardly find anything with Nana on it. And this has Nana on it. This is pretty. This is pretty. That is really pretty. I really like that. That is pretty. Oh, did I show it to you? That is really pretty. It says Nana in the middle. That is pretty. And this said Audrey J, Los Angeles. This box is pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty box. Oh, is that a, oh, this is so pretty. Honey, I have to wear this, but nah. It said genuine crystal, a 16 by 2 inch. No, a 16 inch and a 2 inch extender. This is pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm trying to see what it is. Can't be. Is it a unicorn? I think it's just a horse. What it? Don't the unicorn usually have the thing on top of the head? I just saying. Let me see. Take a picture of Audrey J jewelry. I hope my bird's not too loud, y'all. But I like them. Dang. It's a Audrey J, Los Angeles, genuine crystal. Features a silver tone chain, Pegasus, something like that. Okay, they got one on eBay for 15. Okay. Okay. Here they go. Okay. This box is gorgeous. It's pretty. You all start shopping for those Christmas gifts. Shop, shop, shop. What's this? This is a pretty box too. Oh, this said to my lovely daughter. This is pretty too. Oh, it's stuck to the. Oh, okay. This is cute. Oh, it sticks to the thing. It says, someday when the pages of my life end, I know that you will be one of the most beautiful chapters. Always keep me in your heart, for you are always in mine. Nothing and nobody, not even time, would change that. I squeeze the necklace really tight and fill it with my love and light. If I'm ever not here and you need a hug, just hold this tight to feel my love. Oh, love, Mom. That is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. But, I mean, I wonder if it's like sterling or something. Let me show y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? That's pretty. I might end up giving this to my daughter for Christmas gift. Here's the chain. But you know what? It's too long for her probably. My daughter likes short chains. She doesn't like a long chain. She like a short chain. But based on what this says, she probably would like it. Shoot. Can't fix the thing back. See? It pretty. This had it down. It had it on the tape to hold it. This was like this to hold it, the necklace down. Isn't that pretty? This is gorgeous. But the necklace long. My daughter doesn't, excuse me, don't care for long necklaces. I don't think I put this in right because now, okay, it closes. I have another box. The box messed up on this one. Ouch. I have to open this thing. This is pretty too. You know what? They need to stop. All this stuff is saying. Oh, this said Mama. Isn't that an M? It said Mama, you've mastered the art of making life's little moments shine, turning them into unforgettable memories with your special touch. Silver-plated cubic zirconian adjustable bracelet. This is really pretty. This is pretty too. That's gorgeous. That's nice. Like the two hearts. They both have rhinestones on them. These are cute. This was $20. And it says something on it, but I can't see that. I don't know if you all can see it. It says something on here on that gold heart, but I can't make it out. It said Mama or Nana. I think that's a M for Mama. Mama. I think that Mama. Mama. It's nice. I like that. It's very pretty. Might show some stuff tomorrow. I may do a little video tomorrow. It kind of depends. I think I'm gonna have to try to rest up this foot and ankle. This is cute. I really like this. This is a cute box. Look at that. It says, especially for you. That is too cute. Ooh. It says, be kind. Look right there. Bzz, be kind. Get it? Be. The bee. This is pretty. And you open it up. It says, you are my sunshine. That is too cute. I'm liking everything in here, but I know I can't keep all this stuff. That is too cute. That is darling. And you close it. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty. You got a sticker on the back. Let me take that sticker off. I guess that's to hold the necklace down. And look at that. Look. That thank you on it. Gave that thing away. But thank you on it. This is really pretty. I love this. That is pretty. And I love the chain. This is pretty. Then this says Vince Camuto. Good old Vince Camuto. And you pull this one out. Oh, these cutesy. Free earrings. Oh, fancy. Fancy, are we? At the box. Nice. That's nice. Like Tiffany Haddish would say. These are nice earrings. I don't know if you can see them that good. He's nice. Let's see if they have anything on the back. Look like could be some on there, but honey, I can't see it. But this is a nice box. I know that. What's this? Some hat going on here. Best wishes for you. That's a nice adjustable bracelet. I like the colors. Earth tone. And it says friendship. Friends give hope when life is low. Friends are a place where we can go. Friends are precious, honest, and true. I feel so lucky my friend is you. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. And then it has the pouch for the person to put the jewelry in. And an envelope. Let's see, was it? Okay. I have everything for you to fill out. Special gift for you. And then you fill it out. This is really cool. Like, this is neat. And put all the stuff back. This is gonna be challenging. This is the challenging part, because you know you don't want to mess it up. This is nice. Like that. Let's make a nice little gift for a friend. Excuse me, y'all. We open. Wait, this is another Valencia. Okay, I gotta say we opened a Valencia box already, so I have another one. This one. This says one purpose gift, new, her mom to be gift. Oh, this is neat. It has the little bag inside. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Too cute. And then here's the, oh, I always can look this stuff up. Oh, that's cute. Mom to be. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, the loveliest of smile and the cutest nose of all. Congratulations to the strong, beautiful woman who is soon going to be an incredible mother. May all your wishes come true in the wonderful journey of motherhood ahead. This is cute. My daughter, y'all love jewelry. So, let me see how long that. Oh, Lord, that necklace is too long. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see. the necklace. But it's pretty. And this is really nice. Look at that. The light on it. Sorry for that light. It has little baby feet. This is so cute. And then have the little bag for it as well. This is too freaking cute. You hear me? That is too cute. That is cute. Cutesy, cutesy. Then we have another Vince Camuto. Oh, we have another pair of earrings. I love the case that they're in. So we have 2 pair. Kind of trying to open up maybe some of the bigger items in here. A lot of other stuff in here too. Team. An outstanding group of people who work together to achieve unbelievable, awesome results. They are kind of a big deal. Closing your eyes and making a sincere wish. When you wear the bracelet, the wish you made will come true when the bracelet breaks in two. It's a star. Then it says Dad. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. This is nice. Wow, I can't believe all the earrings are on here. This is crazy. Usually they're missing, but these aren't. You can tell they're brand new. Never been worn. Is this not Target brand, is it? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think it is. I don't think so. But we're gonna dive into it. I see it's on eBay. Yeah, they're on eBay. These are nice. I have to put them in a bag. I love all the earrings on here, especially the hearts. Hearts are pretty. So I have to put these in a bag. A baggie. Oh, these are pretty too. Surgical steel post. These are nice. Dang, y'all, I can't wait. I hope this summer I save some money to get my ears done, get the cosmetic surgery done on my ears. To fix the stretch holes in my ear. Because I would wear these. These are pretty. What in the world? Let's see. These are big earrings. Are they earrings or a... this? I have no idea. Style ability. Is it a bracelet? These are pretty though. I don't think they're glass though. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I know these not shoestrings. I don't know. Maybe you guys will know. Let's do a Google lens. Honey, I don't know. It's a ribbon embellished with dangling beads and heart-shaped charms. So I guess it's for you to make a, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. And right here it says what it is. I have no idea. At least, it feels like shoestrings. It's like, this is one. You can see. I don't think y'all can really see. It's like separate shoes. A lot of shoestrings look like, I don't know. I have no idea. But we're going to go ahead and put them back in here. But I have no idea what you use these for. But we're not going to put it in there right now because it's a little difficult. Oh, am I finished with all the boxes? No. Say it isn't so. Yeah, I'm getting tired when I start talking and stuff like that. Wait a minute, y'all. My bird's gonna look carried away. I think I need to turn them down. It's showing off. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's an elephant. Nicole Pierce Essence. See, some stuff I saved as gifts. Thank you gifts. Look at that little elephant. Yeah, I might say that as a thank you gift. I'm not sure. I mean, if anyone interested in it. This one coming out the pack. I don't have my eyeglasses on, so I can't make out what it says. I'm gonna see if you all can. It's a pretty rose gold bracelet in excellent condition. The plastic is still on it. These were some thank you earrings right here. I don't know what I probably do with those. Splendid Iris Studio Collection. It says plated. He's cute with some rhinestones on it, some stars. See, a lot of that kind of little stuff have as thank you gifts. So some of these little things do come in handy. These for sensitive ears. It's nickel free. Dang, y'all, these were $25, and they went down to $16.99. Chicos, these are cute. I wish I could wear it. These are faux pearls. The pearls, I don't think they're real. Oh, these are pretty. I really like these. Those are pretty. This pretty. All right, necklace. Kind of like this necklace. Just so long though. Faux pearls, some red beads. Some gold hardware on it. Not hardware. Well, yeah, it is. I love the key. This is long. And if anyone interested in anything, just send me an email. Here's another dad. So we have 2 of those. These are nice earrings. These are nice. I would actually wear these. If I was able to wear these kind of earrings, I would. But I'm gonna get my ears straight. And it's $300 to get it done, y'all. But I'm gonna your girl gonna save and try to get it done. Ooh, wouldn't it be nice if the doctor video me getting my ear done? But then y'all gonna be seeing me screaming and stuff. Oh, I don't like needles. These are cute. These are actually cute. And y'all know that earring, that jewelry is, let me see, is it nickel free? And it's pretty good. It's for people with sensitive skin like myself. Actually, their jewelry probably is best for our skin. Ooh. I had some earrings like these, different color ones. And honey, they got 925 on it, but not a guarantee they sterling, honey. Because I have came across some items that was not sterling silver. That makes you mad. Okay. Okay, this is a pen. I don't know nothing about drinking, so. And this is a little nice fruity little drink. Oh, these cute earrings right here. Look at those hearts. Damn. Look at the glitter. The sparkly. Morse code bracelet. Family. Okay. It says Molly Freedom bracelet. Marina DeBucci. I have no idea. It's nickel free. And it's an adjustable bracelet. Fits most sizes. I mean, your name got to be Molly? I don't get that. Wow, I just can't believe this is a thing with all the... Oh, no, they missing. Oh, no, I think that goes like that. Oh, is it missing a pair? Yeah, it is missing a pair. I don't know. These are cute too. I remember little earrings and stuff like this back in the day when I was younger. So it is missing one pair. It's still not bad though. This is a nice bracelet. Can't see what's that. I know that look like it's a heart right there. It's a nice bracelet. I'm gonna have to get ready to close this on out. These earrings are cute. Oh, this little bad boy got a little weight to it, but it's cutesy. Nothing's missing. That's cute. That's kind of cute. The dangly earrings. That's kind of cute though. Well, we're gonna get ready to close this. What is this? It said Ace. Ace. See it? Sad out. Slide out. Sad out. I love. Oh, volleyball. Okay. This is pretty. I like this bracelet. It's pretty. Like these. This is pretty. Yeah, make them, stack them. And always somebody that don't play volleyball can take that off and put on another pendant. Another charm, I mean. I guess we didn't open all the boxes. But I'm going to do one. What am I going to do? One more, and then that's it. This is cold. Oh. Okay, it's like... Oh, I think this Target. Isn't that Target? It says Stone of Inner Peace. I don't have my eyeglasses on. I cannot read it. I can't make it out. And I can't take it out because it still has the plastic thing on it to hold it down. So I can't take it out of the pack, but I can cut the thing off down there, but I don't want to mess anything up. You can see the chain. I'm going to do it tomorrow, but you can see this is the pendant right there. It's cute though. It's in this. I guess, let me see. See, I'm just getting too hyped with this stuff myself. Okay, 2 more things. That's it, y'all. We gotta stop. Pierce Nation. Ooh, do these go in your belly button or something? No. Or do they go in your ear? I don't know, but they're new. Whoever know, put in the comment. The earrings? They look like something that's like for your navel or something. I don't know. They're pretty. Wow, all the earrings are here. Man, I wish I wore stuff like this. Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. I'm going to put these also in a baggie, plastic bag. Oh, that's going to be it. That's going to be it. That's going to be it. Let me see. Let's see something. Let's see. We'll show another pair of earrings or something. I'll show another. It said Pierce Nation. These are cute. It said Curve. I want one of these things for you. No, I can't see it. They're nice though. Look at the other pair. Oh, these are nice. It's an authentic American heritage. These were $16. Kohl's. I had to put these in a box. In a box. So I probably do like a we'll see. I'm not gonna promise anything this weekend as far as a sale. It's not gonna be a sale. I don't know when I'm well, it is doing and selling a jewelry, but what I mean is it not gonna be like a sale. Y'all get what I'm saying? It's not gonna be like a $2 sale, you know, like that. It's not gonna be like that. But I may put some prices to some of the jewelry and show, see if anyone interested. Because, you know, Christmas getting ready to come. Some of this stuff I can kind of put in a box, you know, like stuff like this, put it in a box, nice red box or gray box or something like that, and set the earrings on top in the box. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So it's like a lot of little things of earrings and all sorts of stuff down in this box, y'all. And look, here's another brand new bracelet. It says, we gotta get ready to close this out. It says, I don't know, because I can't see it. Let me see. I hope everybody have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, whatever you do. The plastic is still on this too. This is pretty. And this rose gold. Oh, it says she believed she could, so she did. That's pretty. These rose gold bracelets are nice. Okay, for real, this is it. This is it. This is it, y'all. This is it. This was $12.95. This is pretty. This to that. It's in good condition. And that's gonna be it, you guys. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Let me know what you liked in the video. If you're interested in anything, actually just, if you can, email me, because I don't want to put the prices under the video or in the comments. You know, everyone just give me a call, or if you know you want to wait until I put prices to it and do a video on them, you know, to each his own. So yeah, just let me know what you're interested in, and I'll probably try to do another one tomorrow, because we have a lot of these. We still have stuff left. It's the bottom of it. It's the bottom of the bag. So still got a lot of stuff to go. I definitely will just leave it as is. Oh, wait, see? I picked up something else. These nice, too. Hopefully we can find that earring in the box, down in the box. These are cute, too. Okay. This is it. I'm going to close out. You guys have a good one. And be safe, whatever you do the weekend. And subscribe to the video, share the video, give me a thumbs up, hey, and leave a comment. And also too, my husband put one of the chips, pink chips, I think, or dice or whatever, in 2 people order. I don't know who orders that he put it in, because what I did was I packed up everyone's stuff, and I knew who package was whose, and I didn't have no name on them either. So he couldn't be like, oh, I'm gonna put in this one, so I'm gonna put in this person's bag, So, and then when I closed them all up today, I still didn't look in the bag or anything. Trust me, I promise I didn't, because I wanted to be fair. So, by me don't know who has a chip or a dice, and they're going to be pink, you have to put in the comments or email me. Either email me, put in the comment, I have a pink chip or I have a pink dice. One or the other. And then what we would do is your next order, I will send you your prize in your next order. So, or I probably send it out. Well, it would make sense to just put it in your box of your stuff that you purchase. We'll see. But you just have to let me know. And also, what I'm going to do, probably, you know what? With this video, the people, whoever put a comment in the video, if it's you all know I love diamonds. If you put just a diamond in the video, you could be in this drawing that I'm going to do. I'm not sure when I'm going to do the drawing, so you'll be surprised when I do the drawing. But you have to put a blue diamond heart in the comment of this video only. And what I'm going to do is do a drawing for what y'all call it? What was the Christmas thing I opened? What was that thing? The 25? Dang, what was it, y'all? I can't remember. But I started it from day 1 to December 24th. It's the Advent calendar. So whoever name I draw, you get that Advent calendar gift set. And I haven't used anything in it, haven't taken anything out, not that I know of. But when I had showed it on my video, you all saw how I made it on the lotion or one of the shower gels. I just took the little piece off to smell it, and that's it. And then with one of the lotions, I probably lifted the thing up to smell the lotion when I was showing the video. So that was it. Haven't been used though. So it could be 2 or 3 that I could have just opened to smell it or whatever, So, yeah. So I'm going to look through it, though. I don't think I used anything out of it or did anything with it. So, yeah, with this video, if whoever leaves, the blue diamond in the video, in the comment, or if you leave a comment or anything like that, it's still fine. But it'd be nice to see some blue diamonds in there. Put that diamond in the comment part. And the way I'm going to do my drawing this time is all the names under the video, I'm going to put in a container, shake it up, and get my husband to pick it out. I probably do, yeah. It's going to have to be a video of me showing my face or whatever. But, yeah, so you all can actually see the drawing of everything. Yeah, so, again, I'm going to get ready to go, you guys. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And be safe with whatever you do. And have a good night. And be blessed. Bye-bye.